Kia ora, ko Sean taku ingoa. I'm 22 years old. I opened my Whai Rawa account about 3 years ago now. I've got an automatic payment I set up myself, so I just contribute money to that every fortnight. Pretty much comes out of my pay, so I don't spend it. So that's a good way that works for me, and I know that I'm getting a bit of extra savings. Whai Rawa is definitely going to contribute for home ownership for me. It's going to be tough in today's markets, I guess. It's not getting any easier to own a home, but with things like Whai Rawa and KiwiSaver as well, it's makes owning a home achievable, and just contributing every couple of weeks, that it's going towards something good. I feel like it's a bit of responsibility for me to pass on my savings knowledge, I guess, to all my little cousins, that they're all signed up to Whai Rawa, and my little brother as well. I helped contribute into his account as well as mine, so that feels good too. Once the Whai Rawa account gets emptied out by buying a house, hopefully, then the next big goal will be saving for retirement. I know it's going to be a long way from now, and the retirement age is probably going to be older by the time I get there, but if I just keep up my saving habits that I've already kind of started now, hopefully that'll keep me going until retirement. I did an internship at Ngāi, and one of the first teams I started working for was the Whai Rawa team. It was only a 2-3 month stint, but that really ingrained some saving habits in me, I guess. Seeing all the benefits that are available to Whai Rawa, and knowing that just saving little bits at a time, really all adds up. Having that $200, it's a goal you set yourself to pay for over a year. Like $200 over a year is not a lot, and that's like the bare minimum you want to be saving. And eventually, if you want to keep adding more, then that's great. And it's also really positive to see once those match savings get put into your account every year, and then you get the distribution as well, which just seems to be growing year on year.